And we have tie up this one known awarding bodies, more than 10 awarding bodies in Sri Lanka. We have tie up, sorry, Sri Lanka and overseas. We have tie up with 10 awarding bodies like British Council, IDP Australia, Wichita University USA, Indian University, all over the world. Okay, 20, nearly 15 recognitions that we have at Amazon campus. We are a team. There are 15 lecturers, 15 lecturers who are teaching psychology, counseling, teacher education, AMI Montessori diploma, business management, English, IT, caregiver, child center operator. These are the programs that we do at our campus. Okay, so we are a campus which was registered under TVAC, Ministry of Skills Development. So we are a TVAC approved institutions operating in Colombo, Bambala, Pitiam. Our Facebook account, you can see Amazon Campus Sri Lanka, Amazon College Sri Lanka, www.amazoncollege.lk. So if you want to call or talk or any idea, +94 765 204 604, +94 765 204 604 is our phone number. Any information you can send, you can talk to our marketing people. So some of the information I would like to tell you, we have signed, we have received the government approval. Okay, in our last convocation, some photos I'm going to show you. Okay, this is our convocation. We have got the government approval. The mayor of Colombo delivered the convocation photos, and we have received a government project. You can see I'm signing a MOU with the Ministry of Skills for a caregiver and child care course. And also we have signed agreements with Lincoln University Australia. This is, we signed agreement with Lincoln University, and also IDP Australia. Also we have signed MOU. And also we have signed with Maldives government, ambassador of Maldives. You can see this, ambassador of Maldives in Sri Lanka, where we are signed a job placement to our students. Like that, when you go to a Facebook page and website, you can see all our achievements. Okay, thank you so much. And so we are operating in Bambalapitia. So normally we have counseling diploma. Our counseling diploma programs are very unique. You cannot compare our counseling diploma to any other diplomas, any other institutions. We are unique. The reason is we use a lot of new techniques, approaches, therapies with our expert team. We have a Lasa Gansa, Lakma madam, Disala madam, who are specialized on psychology, Sinhala people, Tamil people, Christian people, Hindu, everybody working as lecturers at our office, full-time lecturers, 8 employees are working full-time. So counseling psychology, which is very important program. You might be a teacher, you might be a businessman, you might be a housewife. Please join our counseling program, which will help you to have a happy life. How to be a happy life, how to have your life with your family. When you get overstressed, how do you release your stress? What are the therapies, exercises that you have? And we teach you about diseases, mind techniques. Everything is covered in our counseling. In some places, they don't teach you child psychology. They teach you this diploma and they will tell you, please come to the child counseling, so extra payment. We don't do it. We don't charge that payment, this payment, nothing. we charge a registration fee and a monthly fee, all inclusive in our package. Okay, and there is a convocation fee if you are interested to attend the convocations. Okay, this is number one. And second one is our a teacher training diploma, which is you might be a teacher. Any teacher can come to this program. We don't teach the subject. We teach you how you can uh, how you can how you can teach the methods, the teaching psychology, educational psychology. If there is a student who is very weak, how do you, what method that you can approach? Okay, syllabus preparation, these type of modern methods we teach you for a teacher training. So if you study AMI diploma, you can teach only at Montessori. When you study teacher training diploma, you can study any grades, any grade. So it is the second program that we have. Third one, business management. Do you want to work in office? You want to start something of your own? You want to be an entrepreneur? You want to go to Dubai, Saudi, Qatar, any places? You can go to office work. That's called the business management. And we have the English program. If you are weak in English, you or your relative, your friend, your somebody, they can join our English program. The next one is the IT program. So you can see all our programs are Amazon certificates only for the IT programs. And English program, we offer government diplomas. What do you mean government, not diploma, government certificate? What do you mean by government certificate? The government certificate means our certificates, I will show you our certificates, where you don't see the logo. You don't see our logo. Any private sector, they don't use government logo. For the ICT program, we are giving you certificate with the government logo. We are working with EdHat International with the Ministry of Skills and Finance. So they give you a government certificate for you, which is very, very useful for you. So we have a special team for the ICT program. So we have a branch, we have approved center in certain areas. Okay. So this is our Amazon College certificate. See how nicely we have made the certificate. You can see all the logos are down. All the approved university logos are there. And you can see the red, next to the red color seal, there is a hologram sticker which shows the genuine type of certificate. And along with the certificate, we give you a transcript, a syllabus paper, which carries all the module names and the signature and the seal. This is what we give for the our diploma programs. So we have two sections, Amazon College and Amazon Campus. The government program we run under Amazon College. The foreign program we run under Amazon Campus. So online diplomas, Amazon Campus. HND program runs under Amazon Campus. Degree programs runs under Amazon Campus. Okay, because government programs are very strict programs. You have a 1 year program, so it's very strictly programmed. So we use only for the people who want to study a 1 year program with us. We give Amazon College certificate with the TVEC number. For the other students, online students, we don't give the TVEC number because those are short-term programs, once a week, 3 hours. So 6-month program. For them, you are getting a UK approved certificate, which is valid, internationally valid certificate for the online diploma. Okay. So that is also, I don't have one to show you. For the government, for the IT program, we are giving you a booklet. For every IT program with the government logo is the E+ exam. So it is the IT program course. So you are getting a booklet here. The booklet, very good booklet with all information. So this is the speciality of Amazon College. And in the meantime, we have another program called Child Care and Caregiver. Do you want to work as an assistant nurse, or you want to help the elderly people? You have vacancy in Australia, Canada, New Zealand. So we have another section called NVQ department. So there you can learn NVQ program caregiver. And this year, we are going to start a work with another agent for the study abroad. How you can send, you can, with your qualification, you can go to Australia, UK, Canada for your higher studies. Our certificate are accepted globally. Any embassy, you can use it. We have successfully completed nearly 200 students. So these people are working in Sri Lanka, some are in Maldives, Qatar, Dubai. So you see our Facebook page. The students' photographs are, we have put the photographs who are working in other countries, photos. Okay. And there are some special when you compare Amazon and other people. The specialty is we are very flexible team. Okay, number one. When you join with us, you will be completing the course successfully. Number one. You fail one exam, we give you the second paper, re-exam. Assignment date is delay, we give you an extended date. We help the student. We don't fail you. We want you. We help you to pass the exam. I know many students, they study here and there. They pay 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Finally, they come with a letter. They don't give the certificate. If you have failed the diploma, we give you a certificate level diploma, a course certificate, a certificate level. You can use it for your job purpose. Because when the certificates are very important. Very, very important. That's number one. Number two, while studying or after the course, do you need a job? We help you to place you in some schools, centers, everywhere. We have a team where we help you to get the jobs. Full-time or part-time, no problem. Training, possible. Do you want to work in a school? You want a training? We help you to get a training. Do you want to work in a Montessori? Do you need a training? We help you to work in a Montessori. Do you want to work under a counselor? We give you a time, you can work under a counselor. This all we are helping. This all we are helping. Okay. And also after the course, we have vacancy, Saudi, Dubai, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, and Maldives, many countries. Okay, but for the foreign job, you need a degree. You need a graduate certificate, degree certificate. So when you complete our diploma, 1 year or 6 months, we will be transferring you for the higher national diploma program, UK program, HND. So when you complete our HND program, you are eligible for the final year with our degree program. So within 3 years, you will be a successful graduate. The gallery photos, all these things, please see our Facebook page and website. The evidence are mentioned there. So this is the main reason of Amazon College. We don't focus for high class people. We mainly focus the low class people and the middle class people where they are unable to do for a high grade course. So we're helping you. You won't believe our degree cost is 2,90,000. Our HND program 1,80,000. Very, very cheap. Very cheap. A very cheap program. You check the other places. HND program nearly 2,80,000. Degree program 6 lakhs. Some mic, please. Mic unmute karanda. I can see somebody is talking in the phone. Unmute the mic, brother. Unmute the mic. Huh? Mic is not unmuted. So this is the system. Already I told Tamil media program. Admin, please remove that person. Huh? Admin, please remove the person. Okay. So once you start the next one is IT. IT, you are going to start the basic IT. The basic IT is the basic one. The second one after the basic IT program, you are getting a government certificate. I told you government logo is there. For the other program, no government logo. For the IT program, giving a IT. You can do the multimedia course. You can choose animation, website designing, hardware, networking. We have plenty of program. ICT program is the special offer 35,000 rupees. You can pay 3-month program, you can pay by installment. Diploma program is also 6-month diploma, 5,000 monthly, 6-month program. So online is very easy nowadays, online, because you can stay at home. Our recordings will be there. If you miss one class, you can follow the recording. Okay, so very easy to follow the program. So please concentrate and try to join. Our program will be starting 9th or 10th this month. So before that, wish you a happy new year for all my students who are in this program. I forgot to wish at you. Today is 1st of January 2020. And if you have already a school leaver after A level, you can join directly the HND program, but you need A level. No A level, you come to the diploma. Then diploma, you come to the HND. Then you do the final year top-up degree. You are a person of 25 years old or 26 years old. You have 5 years experience, 4 years experience. You have that diploma, this diploma. You can apply directly for the final year of the degree program. Only 1 year is called top-up degree. Okay, so please see our Facebook page. Many students, more than 2,000 students have successfully completed our programs in Sri Lanka. Okay, so very easy to, we don't fail you. You fail one subject, you can resit the exam. So we are very flexible. We know the value of money. We know the hard way of value. Diploma in English, again, I'm telling, you can study the diploma. It once a week, 3 hours per week, 3-hour lecture, English, 2 different lecturers. They train you reading, speaking, writing about English. So, but what is my experience? You will get a certificate. But I am telling you, the English program better. If you can, come to the college, come physically to the program, or else find a place near your in your area where you live. Every day go to the class once a week or 2 days, 3 days. Then only you can improve your language skills. You can study our program. In the meantime, in your area, visit physically and learn English. So for the English program also, we are giving a booklet like this, and we are giving a government certificate. We are giving a E+ government certificate for the English program. So this is the basics about the our programs, what we are conducting right now. And so now it is the time for you to ask questions. Questions time. So let me ask also, please, admin, now recording is, so please double check Amazon, go to the Amazon College Facebook page, www.amazoncollege.lk. Please visit the website, and our phone number, office phone number is +94 765 204 604. Please check the website, and also in the group, please start sending the message about our contact. My number also will be given to you. Any doubt, because there are many fake institutions in Sri Lanka where they don't give you the proper certificates. Okay, so we give you everything. You can come to us, talk to us. Your idea, we welcome your idea. Your plans, we accept your plan. We need your ideas and plans. Okay, thank you so much. Next, we keep on question time. Video recording, please stop the recording. Please stop the recording. I will be, yes, 22. Shifka, stop the recording. Now question time. You can text me the question, or else you can